Hi, I'm Zander and I've been your friendly expert at Chamberlain Silver Lakes since 2019. Today I will be showing you how to connect a smart home security camera. With the festive season around the corner, let's protect your holiday gifts. Smart home security is the newest craze when it comes to the cybersecurity realm. The ability to remotely control your home security anywhere in the world with a push of a button is both easy and convenient. Step 1. The packaging of your smart home security camera will always include software needed to connect via Wi-Fi or a QR code that can be scanned to connect to it. Install said software and sign up. Step 2. Using the software, see the user manual included in the packaging on how to connect your specific device to your mobile device. Step 3. Once you have paired the device, make sure to keep it closer to your Wi-Fi router to ensure a stronger connection. Step 4. Complete all aforementioned steps and you are done. Here at Chamberlain's, we have a wide variety of smart home security solutions to suit all of your needs. Here is one of our popular options, the EasyViz Smart Home Camera. It is an easy-to-use device boasting a 1080p resolution, built-in motion detection, sleep mode for privacy protection, motorized pan and tilt feature for full 360-degree visual, and night vision up to 10 meters. Thank you for watching this video. For more expert advice, visit any of our 9 stores in Gauteng. Chamberlain, famous for hardware since 1903.